you feel like dancing?
Max, let's put it there.
What? Like that? That's not how Alan and Eric would like it.
Huh?
What are you thinking?
Alan's gonna move it anyway, Axe.
Hello, we are just here preparing the backstage for the headliner, Kings of Convenience. We are not sure how Alan and Eric would like their table, but I don't think it's like that.
Alan's gonna move it anyway, but come on, Axe. It's 30 days to the festival anyway, we got plenty of time.
Well, I guess you're right. We got plenty of time. 30 days is a long time.